Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a cab. Engine is prior to the Tier 4 emission, so this is a pre-emission engine. The tractor also does have the factory joystick with the mid valve, so you can easily add a loader to this tractor. You can see the joystick there in the cab. Valve is right down here below the step, so again, adding a loader to this tractor can easily be done. Is approximately 750 hours. You can check the listing for the exact hours. As the R4 tires on it, they do show somewhere in the back here. They probably have approximately 60% tread life remaining, something in that range. 3-point hitch, 540 and 540E PTO. Rear hydraulic outlet. It's got the top link there. Rear work lights on the cab. It's a nice clean tractor, and again, pre-emission engine, so you don't have to worry about any of the Tier 4 on this tractor. It does have the suspension seat here for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Left of the seat here, you've got your four-wheel drive engagement lever. To the right, you have your primary shift levers. You have 3 ranges in the tractor, and then 4 synchronized gears and park gear on the far lever there. And again, with your power reverser here, you can change direction without clutching in every gear. 3-point PTO and hydraulic controls over here to the right. Up top, we've got radio, climate controls, rearview mirror, and sun visor. Back down to the floor, you have foot throttle, individual brakes, clutch pedal, and differential lock back here. And again, nice clean tractor. Again, prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. We do take trades. If you have a trade and are from a distance away, we can work off of pictures. So if you text or email some pictures, we can help you with your trade. We can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers, and also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this or any other of our tractors on our yard, please feel free to contact us.